The professional photography world, as we know it, is about to vanish. For years, we've been chasing megapixels and dynamic range. But what Sony is preparing to drop in 2026 isn't just an incremental update. It's a total industry takeover. The Sony A7R VI is no longer just a rumor. It's a looming shadow over every other manufacturer in the market. Imagine a sensor so dense that cropping becomes a relic of the past, paired with a processing engine that thinks faster than the human eye. We are talking about the ultimate resolution king finally shedding its last few weaknesses to become the perfect hybrid machine. If you've been thinking about upgrading your gear or switching systems, you need to stop everything and listen to this, because the leaked specifications for the A7R VI suggest that the landscape of digital imaging is shifting under our feet. The heart of this beast is rumored to be a staggering 95 megapixel full-frame sensor. But don't let the numbers fool you into thinking this is just about size. Sony has reportedly redesigned the back-illuminated architecture to handle noise in a way that makes 61 megapixels look grainy by comparison. Imagine shooting at ISO 6400 and seeing the clarity you'd normally expect at ISO 400. This is the holy grail for landscape photographers and high-end commercial shooters who need every fiber of fabric or every leaf on a distant mountain to be rendered with surgical precision. But the real magic lies in how Sony is handling that massive data readout. With a new iteration of the Bion's XR processor, the A7R VI is expected to eliminate the slow reputation of the R series once and for all. We are looking at burst rates that rival sports cameras, making this the first true do-it-all flagship that doesn't compromise on speed for the sake of resolution. Let's talk about the autofocus, because this is where the 2026 AI integration truly shines. We've seen AI subject recognition before, but the A7R VI is rumored to feature predictive intent tracking. This means the camera isn't just following a bird or a bride. It's calculating the physics of their movement to ensure the eye remains in tack-sharp focus even before they turn toward the lens. For portrait photographers, this is a game changer. No more missed frames during a high-fashion shoot or a fast-paced wedding ceremony. The camera becomes an extension of your intuition. It's almost scary how accurate this system is reported to be, utilizing over 1,000 phase detection points that cover nearly every corner of the frame. You could place your subject on the absolute edge of the glass, and the A7R VI will lock on with the tenacity of a predator. But the real shocker, the thing that has the video community buzzing, is the 8K 60p uncropped recording capability. Historically, the R line was for stills and the S line was for video. In 2026, those lines are being blurred into extinction. The A7R VI is leaked to include a sophisticated internal cooling structure, borrowed from Sony's cinema line, allowing for extended high-resolution recording without the dreaded overheating shutoff. Imagine capturing 95 megapixel stills 1 second and flipping a switch to record 10-bit 4:2:2 internal video the next. It's the ultimate one-camera solution for the modern creator who is expected to deliver both world-class photography and cinematic video content for high-paying clients. This isn't just a camera. It's a full-scale production studio that fits in the palm of your hand. What does this mean for the competition? Canon and Nikon are currently scrambling. When the A7R V hit the shelves, it set a benchmark, but the 6 is moving the goalposts into a different stadium entirely. The ergonomics are reportedly getting a massive overhaul, too. We are seeing leaks of a new, deeper grip and a multi-angle 4-axis screen that combines the best of tilt and flip displays. Every button, every dial, and every menu item has been refined based on years of pro-user feedback. It's about more than just tech. It's about the soul of the shooting experience. When you hold this camera, you aren't fighting the interface. You're simply creating. The 9.44 million EVF is said to be so clear that you'll forget you're looking at a digital screen, providing a lifelike window into your composition that makes manual focusing a joy rather than a chore. The connectivity features are also stepping into the future, with 6G ready wireless transfer speeds and a dedicated D-Cloud Sync hardware chip The A7R VI is built for the instant era. You can be shooting a red carpet event in Los Angeles, and your editor in New York can have the high-res RAW files on their desktop before you've even finished the set. This workflow efficiency is why the premium market is so obsessed with this release. It's not just about taking a pretty picture. It's about the business of photography. Time is money, and the A7R VI is designed to save you more time than any camera in history. Whether it's the dual CF Express Type A slots for blistering write speeds, or the revamped battery life that promises over 1,000 shots on a single charge, every detail is engineered for the elite professional who cannot afford a single failure. As we look toward the official 2026 launch window, the hype is reaching a fever pitch. Is it overkill? For some, perhaps. But for the visionary who wants to capture the world in a way it has never been seen before, the Sony A7R VI is the only choice. It represents the pinnacle of optical engineering and silicon intelligence. It is the bridge between the analog feeling of great photography and the digital power of the future. If you're serious about your craft, if you demand the absolute best from your equipment, and if you want to stay ahead of the curve in an increasingly competitive industry, you have to be ready for this. The king of resolution is reclaiming its throne, and it's bringing a level of power that will leave the rest of the world in its wake. Stay tuned, because the era of the A7R VI is almost here, and it will be spectacular.